Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a horrible noise, it's likely due to a malfunctioning motor or a blockage somewhere in the system. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. Therefore, it's best to address the problem as soon as you notice it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and possibly a replacement motor if that's the issue. Before we begin, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and completely powered down to avoid any accidents. Start by carefully removing the dust container and battery pack. This will give you clear access to the internal components. Once the battery is out, locate the screws that hold the casing together. Use your screwdriver to gently remove these screws, being careful not to strip them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the screws removed, carefully lift the casing off. You should now see the motor. Inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. If the motor is indeed the issue, you will need to disconnect the wires attached to it. Use your pliers to gently pull the connectors apart, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding wires. Once the motor is free, take the new motor and position it in place, reconnecting the wires securely. Before reassembling, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no stray wires. Now, replace the casing carefully, ensuring it fits snugly without forcing it. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Finally, reattach the battery and dust container. Test your Dyson V10 to ensure it's running smoothly and quietly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your Dyson V10 well maintained will help it run efficiently and prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.